Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kate and today I'm back with another interesting video. Today I'll be making a lemon and garlic chicken. So stay tuned, and the video is self-explanatory, so you're going to see every process as I go on. So I am starting with a clean chicken. I have already washed my chicken. So I'm going ahead to marinate my chicken, and I'm starting with a garam masala powder. I'm also using mustard powder and cajun powder, as you have seen. Then I have added some soy sauce, that is light soy sauce. I will now go ahead and mix everything to ensure that the chicken is well marinated with the spices. Once I'm done preparing my chicken, I'll set it aside for it to marinate for about 30 minutes. I'll go ahead and prepare my other ingredients for this chicken recipe. That is some lemon zest, some lemon juice. I'm also preparing some ginger and garlic spice. And now I'm going to start by frying the onions under medium heat. So as you will see what I'm doing, I'll be frying the onions, add the ginger and also garlic at some point. I am going to fry my onions until they are soft. Then I'm going to set them aside. Then I will go to the next step. Using the same cooking pot, I am going to add some margarine, and I will fry my chicken under the margarine until the chicken is browned each side. The next step is to add the lemon zest to the chicken and fry for a few minutes. After about 5 minutes, add back the onions, the garlic, and the ginger to the chicken. I am making some corn flour solution, that is 2 tablespoons of corn flour with water. Then I'm mixing with the chicken. After about 5 minutes, you're going to add the lemon juice to the chicken and cook for some more 5 minutes. And the last step is garnishing your chicken. So I'm garnishing mine with some coriander or dhania. You can also use green onions. As you can see, everything is looking really good. So I'm serving my chicken right here. I hope you have learned something. Please like this video, subscribe, and share with your loved ones. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.